So we're going to go ahead and grab the hubcap and give that a tug and pull that right off. We're going to use a 19mm socket and remove the lug nuts. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the wheel and remove that. So we want to remove this white connector. First we're going to use a pick and pull the lock tab out like so. We have a 13mm shallow socket on there and a long extension. So we remove the sensor. I'm going to pull the harness out a little bit with it. I'm going to disconnect the harness from the sensor. Now that we can get two hands on this, should make it a little bit easier to do so. I'm going to pinch on the tab right here, separate the sensor like so. So now I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the new sensor. Press it until it clips, and you can press your gray lock tab down. And here it's snap into place. And we'll go ahead and feed the sensor back in with the harness and get that bolted in. I'm going to feed our socket and extension in there, pop it onto that bolt, and we're going to go ahead and snug that down by hand. I'm going to install a ratchet. We're just going to snug this down by hand. And go ahead and install your wheel. And get all lug nuts started by hand. Go ahead and snug down the lug nuts. I'm going to go ahead and torque these down to 103 foot-pounds. Doing this in a crisscross or a star pattern. Find the notch in your hubcap, line it up with your valve stem.